guy I went to school with to race dirt bikes.
What's up, Wolfpack? I'm with Nasty Nate. We are going to sell the Honda Shadow today. We're going to sell it to a good friend of mine, Brian, and we've got it strapped up in the back of the truck, and we're heading over to his place. He doesn't live very far. All right, it's Brian New Bike Day. It's Wig No Bike Day. Wig's going without a bike for like a week? Yeah, so you're gonna pull in right into this driveway right here.
Back in it.
Watch your mouth, that's his daughter.
Back in it.
Yeah, back in. Yeah, look at him looking at it. It's New Bike Day for Brian. Brian's a really good friend of mine. I've known Brian for probably a decade or more. And his dad rode Harleys and we worked together, and he's a cool dude, and I'm really, really, really glad to keep this bike in the family and to be giving it to somebody who's cool. We're gonna get out and we're gonna get this boy unloaded. It was a pain to load it. It's gonna be way easier to unload it. So I have to get out of the way because in Nathan's truck you have to get out the passenger door. So we're gonna Dukes of Hazzard it real quick. New bike bread day for Brian. That's Brian. Brian's a good friend. Welcome to the Wolfpack, Brian. Is this your child?
That's my child.
This is your spawn. This is Brian's spawn. Well, we're really glad to add Brian to the family and keep the bike in the family. And thanks to Brian for buying my bike so I can buy my Harley.
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
Day 2.
What's up, Wolfpack? All right, so now it's new motorcycle day for WIGSLY. It was new motorcycle day for Brian, and I let go of the Shadow. And that was kind of a sad day, but it's a good day because it means new bike and it means Harley. It's Harley day for WIGSLY. And Jeff's here.
Upgrade.
Jeff, yeah. Jeff was nice enough to just like hit me up. He knew it was Harley day. Like, I'm
Need to
gonna
be
go
part
with
of the
you.
energy,
Yeah.
man.
Yeah, Jeff wanted to be part of the good energy, and he wanted to give me a ride up to Boomers. So we're on the way up to Boomers. We're gonna go pick up my bike. So it's bike reveal day. It's Harley day. We're gonna get up to Boomers, and there's some boring stuff, and there's some paperwork. But this bike is going home and
there's
getting
donuts.
ridden today. Yeah, there's donuts. Jeff's real excited about donuts. So we will see you when we get to Boomers. Are you cool, Josh, being on the camera?
Cool,
This is Josh. Josh works at Boomers. And Josh is going to make damn sure that this bike runs right for me. And that is why you buy a bike from a dealership. Like, this is not a Harley Davidson dealership, but Boomers is still a dealership. And they're going to make sure they take care of me, and I appreciate the hell out of that. So, thanks, Josh. I have to give you left hand shake, dude, because right hand's all fucked up. But so I'm going to leave it here in Josh's capable hands. And in a couple of days, they're going to drop it off for me, which is really nice, too. It's the middle of I don't know, you can snow on the ground. I'm damn sure going to ride my Harley, but not through that. So we'll see this in a couple days, and that'll be where we pick up the rest of this video. We'll get a first ride on her. So not Harley Day, almost Harley Day.
2,000 years later.
I do.
It'll be fine. I got one more day. I'm going to sit here and get started.
All right, bike reveal. I finally have the bike, like 3 days later, but I'd rather have it right than right now. And so here she is, 93 XLH, which makes it a Sportster Hugger. And yes, that is an aftermarket gas tank. No, I do not know exactly what gas tank it is. It's not off a Honda. I don't think it's off another bike. I think it's made for a Sportster, but not to look all stupid. I personally am not a fan of the peanut tank. So it's got buckhorn bars, which is the same as, if you follow this channel, what I currently have on, or what I had on the Shadow. Those are going. Those are already, there's a whole Amazon cart with. It's got mid controls, it's getting forward controls, there's a bunch of stuff, mirrors, grips, all this stuff. Thank you to Tim. You guys have seen Tim on the channel once or twice. Tim's my neighbor-ish and is letting me keep this in his garage because I live in an apartment and I'm not leaving my Harley Davidson outside in February in Michigan, which you can't see, but it sucks out there and it's trash. Until next time, as always, I am WIGSLY. Titles, titles, titles. This is my Harley, and this is the Harley reveal, and this is Tim. Hi, Tim. And we will be back next time that we are in the garage. We will be modifying this motorcycle, and there's lots of modification videos to come. Tune in, like, subscribe, comment, all the things. WIGSLY out.